Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to remove SIM card from Redmi A5. So to do this, you have just to take the SIM like ejector tool, this one, that you will find it in the box of your phone. And after that, you take your phone from the left side, not from the right side, from the left side. And as you can see, there is a small hole there. You put that SIM tool there and you press. And after that, you will have that like SIM card holder out. You take it out and you remove your SIM card easily from here. And after that, you put back the SIM card holder and you push inside your phone. And like that, you will remove the SIM card from your Redmi A5. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.